Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds QCY MelaBuds Pro using your phone. All you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. Then, at the back side on the charging case, we have also USB-C port, so connect the second USB-C cable right to this port. Now, the most important is this LED light on the front side, meaning that your earbuds are charging. And that's it. This one is the only one way how you can charge your earbuds using your phone, because this earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use reverse wireless charging to charging from your phone, so only using cable. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!